Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be assembling Husky heavy duty 4 shelves unit that I bought only for $80. So original price for this shelf is $199 and with Black Friday sale you can buy it for $159. So I placed an order for one shelf and for two bathtubs. And it was about a week ago, and at the day of the delivery I got a phone call from Home Depot and they told me that they cannot deliver shelf because they are out of stock. They offered me to cancel my order and refund me the money for shelf, or they can sell me a display item. So I asked like what's wrong with it. They said nothing wrong, and they offered me to sell it for $90. Then I asked like does it come with a box. They said no, it doesn't, and I asked them if they can sell me for $80. So they said sure. It is how I got this shelf for $80. It is in perfect condition. It came wrapped with Home Depot boxes, and when I opened the box there was only one thing missing. It was a bag of plastic clips. So I came to the store and they gave me this bag with clips. So this is it. I finished assembling shelving. I didn't use all of the parts because I needed only 3 rows of aquariums. It worked out perfectly for me. I'm really happy with the result. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.